Our bodies are incredible machines. They can run, jump, dance, and do so many other amazing things, but have you ever stopped to think about what holds it all together, what gives our bodies their shape and strength? The answer is our bones. Bones are the hard, strong parts inside our bodies. We can feel them in our fingers, toes, and all over. Together, all 206 bones in our body make up the skeletal system. It's like a framework that supports everything else. Imagine a house being built. Picture the hustle and bustle of workers, the sound of hammers, and the sight of beams being lifted into place. What's the first thing the builders make? That's right, the frame. This frame is crucial because it gives the house its shape and strength. The skeleton is like the frame of our body. It supports us and gives us our form, just like the wooden frame of a house. Just like a house needs strong beams to hold it up, our bodies need a strong skeleton to stand tall. Without it, we wouldn't be able to maintain our posture or move efficiently. Without our skeleton, we would be like a pile of jelly, wobbly and unable to move. Imagine trying to do anything without that solid structure inside you. The skeleton gives us our shape and allows us to stand upright. It's what makes us look human and not like a blob. Can you imagine trying to walk without any bones? It would be impossible. Our bones are essential for every movement we make, from walking to running to even standing still. Besides holding us up, our skeleton does many other important jobs. It's not just a rigid framework, it's a dynamic structure that plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It acts like a suit of armor, protecting our delicate organs. Our ribs, for example, form a cage around our heart and lungs, keeping them safe from harm. Imagine if we didn't have this protection. Even a small bump could be dangerous. But our skeleton does more than just protect. Our skeleton also allows us to move in all sorts of ways. Whether we're running, jumping, or even just walking, our bones and joints make it all possible. Muscles are attached to our bones by tendons, like strong ropes. When our muscles contract, they pull on the bones, making us bend, twist, and move. This intricate system allows us to perform complex movements, from delicate tasks like writing to powerful actions like lifting heavy objects. But that's not all. The skeletal system even helps make blood cells. Deep inside some of our bones is a special material called bone marrow. This marrow is like a factory that produces red and white blood cells, which are essential for our health. Without these cells, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. So the next time you think about your skeleton, remember it's doing a lot more than just holding you up. It's protecting you, helping you move, and even keeping your blood healthy. Truly, our skeleton is an amazing and vital part of our body, working tirelessly to keep us alive and well every single day. Bones are hard and rigid, but how do we bend our arms and legs? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Our bones form the sturdy framework of our bodies, but they alone can't account for the fluidity of our movements. That's where joints come in. Joints are the unsung heroes that connect our bones and make movement possible. Without them, we'd be stiff as boards. Joints are places where two or more bones meet. They act as pivot points, allowing our bodies to perform a wide range of actions, from simple gestures to complex athletic feats. They allow our bodies to move in different directions. Imagine trying to dance, climb, or even just walk without the flexibility that joints provide. It would be impossible. Some joints, like the ones in our knees and elbows, work like hinges on a door, allowing us to bend and straighten. These hinge joints are crucial for activities like running, jumping, and lifting. Other joints, like the one in our shoulder, allow for a wider range of motion, letting us swing our arms in circles. These ball and socket joints are what make activities like swimming and throwing possible. Fun fact: did you know that babies are born with more bones than adults? It's true. Babies have around 300 bones, which gradually fuse together as they grow. Babies have around 300 bones, but as they grow, some of these bones fuse together to form the 206 bones adults have. This process helps to strengthen and stabilize the skeleton. Our skeletal system is truly amazing. It's not just a static structure, it's dynamic and constantly adapting to our needs. It supports us, protects us, allows us to move, and even makes blood cells. Yes, our bones are also responsible for producing the blood cells that keep us alive and healthy. So, the next time you run, jump, or even just stand still, take a moment to appreciate the incredible framework that makes it all possible. Our bones and joints truly are a fantastic partnership, working together to give us the gift of movement.